foundation. The next one, 5 through 10, is where it starts to multiply. I realized there were several books, several principles that led to me becoming a $10,000 a month earner. There were several books I had to learn, thoughts, the language of success, the language of a $10,000 a month earner, the mindset of a $10,000 a month earner, the understanding of the PAVE system. So I have a library, a leadership library of all the books that helped me become a $10,000 per month earner. Right? All right. Number 6, that's number 7, the L. Number 6, enroll at least 2 to 4 new recruits a month. Number 1 leads to number 6 automatically. Number 1 leads to number 6 automatically. And then number 7, account for at least 4 launch parties per week. Guess what? That's big money. What if you do a launch party, like a Zoom launch or a private business reception? Let's say you average 2 signups per launch. And let's say that's $50 in premium each. So 2 signups, that's $100 in premium sold. If you do 4 launches a week at $100 each, that's $400 premium a week just from